Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dark night effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, you can click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it. After this, in here, you just click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see dark. So you just click on the dark. And after this, you can swipe down until you can see dark night effect. This one, so you just click on it. And after this, you can click a check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. This one, click on it. After this, in here you can adjust the filter, you can adjust the texture, and you can adjust for the range. Now you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. So that's how to add dark night effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.